In this video, I'll be going to unbox the Sheng Mirror Cube. So I ordered it from Flipkart.com because I know it delivers pretty quickly, and SCMU is having kind of problem with the cash on delivery because it's kind of new to the store. And so let's get into this. Okay, I have got this box. Inside this, there's nothing else in this package. So I have got this box. I don't know how. Yes, I think I have to open it from here. I'll just store it. So I have the puzzle itself. Oh, it's so small. I thought it would be big enough, but we have nothing else in the box. So start the way up. So let's get into this puzzle. Okay, so I have the puzzle, and there's some Chinese characters on this, which I can't read. So this looks pretty cool, and it's kind of small. So first turns. Okay, it's good enough out of the box. So I thought it would be actually kind of hard, but it's good. It's smooth. And actually I don't know how to solve one of these, but I'll be learning. And it's smooth, so you can buy this. I have given the links below in the description from where you can buy this, including Flipkart.com. So thank you guys. Please subscribe.